Hi everyone, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. Today in this tutorial, we will learn about the how to display images on the web page and image attributes step-by-step explanation. I am sure end of the video you will know the process of how to display images on the web pages. Okay, so I will go to the code. Okay, here I am creating a new file. This is the basic HTML structure of the web page. Basic HTML structure. In this tutorial, in this class, we will learn about the how to display images, how to display images on the web page. On the web page. Okay, for the display of images, we are use the image tag. First of all, image is a unpaired tag. Image is a unpaired tag. Only image consists the starting tag. Image have no ending tag. Okay, and next one. Image tag attributes are image tag attributes. Image tag attributes are first one SRC, okay, and next one ALT. ALT means alternative text, and next one title, and next one style, width, height, class, ID. Okay, these are the common attributes of the image tag. Okay, okay. And next one, how to display the image? We are using the SRC. SRC means source attribute can be used to display the images on the web page. Source attribute. SRC means source. Source attribute can be used to display the images on the web page. Here I am writing the SRC attribute from the images folder. From the images folder, here we have 4 images. Okay, 4.jpg. Once I will compile this file. Sorry. Okay, so this is the image. Okay, this is the image. Okay, and I will write the number of images. And next one image SRC from the images folder 1.jpg. Okay, and another one image SRC from the images folder 2.jpg. And another one image SRC from the images folder 3.jpg. Okay, once I will compile this file. Sorry, all the images are displayed in the same line. Okay, because image is a inline element. Because inline is a inline element, so that's why all the images will be displayed on the same line. All the images will be displayed on the same line. Okay, okay, okay. Next attribute is ALT. ALT means alternative text. ALT means alternative text. ALT. ALT means alternative text. Okay, some call image. Okay, here I have write a gal image. Okay, so alternative text is not displayed in the web page. Okay, when alternative text will be displayed, suppose if we are given the wrong path of the images, that particular time alternative text will be displayed. Alternative text will be displayed. Here I am write a wrong path. Okay, text will be displayed. Okay, this is the use of alternative text. Okay, some network issue, or suppose we are your developer can be write a wrong path. That particular time, alternative text will be displayed on the web page. Okay, okay. And next one, next attribute. Next attribute is the title attribute. Okay, title. Okay, title. SHS text solutions. Okay, title. When we hover on the particular image, the title will be displayed like pop-up. When we hover on the particular image, pop-up will be coming. In the pop-up, title it will be displayed. Okay, SHS text solutions. Okay, and next one. Next attributes are style, width, height are for we are applying the styles for the image. Okay, suppose here I am using the width 100%. Here I am writing width 100%. Okay, and next one height 300 pixel. Okay, once I will check the file. Okay, this is the image. Okay, so here I am writing with the 100% and the height is 300 pixel. Suppose height also I am given a 500 pixel. Okay, it's okay. Okay, and next one alternative is the style. Style can be used to also apply the width and height of the image. Okay, what is the width? Suppose here I am writing 50% and height 500 pixel. I'll remove this width and height attributes. Okay, width is 50% and height is 500 pixel. Okay, width is 50% and height is 500 pixel. Okay, so these are the attributes of the image tag. Okay, I am writing common attributes to all the images. Okay, one by one. Okay, so this is the process to display the images on the web page. Okay, and image attributes also. Okay, I hope we all understand how to write the images, how to write display the images on the web page. If you have any doubts or comments, please mention the below video. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.